This how to 1 minute will show you how to make sticky post in WordPress. Follow these easy steps to make a sticky post. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and click on post. And now select the post that you want to make sticky. Then click on quick edit. And here you will get this option, make this post sticky. Check this box to enable. Click on update. And this was the first method to make a sticky post. The second method is search for the post and click on edit. Under the visibility section, you will get the stick to the top of the blog option. So check this box and click on update. And this is how we can add a sticky post on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.